Oh, Eric with Iowa Tiny House Adventure. Hey, getting more done. We got the cement walls poured, and I got tar around there because we're gonna put dirt around it, and I don't want water seeping in and into the crawl space. And I figured it's cheaper to do it now than dig it up later and do it. Got the concrete pads for our blocks. I've already gotten 40 of them. I got 2 big stacks over there in the spot and a bunch left inside for the 2 spots inside. I got to go get another 40 concrete blocks so to put on that, and then once we get those, I'm gonna drill some holes in that, figure out where I got to go, put some re-rod in there, anchor, and then turn the block sideways and dump concrete down there to make them solid. And then I gotta put tile in around the base there and I'll dig that out down there a little bit, but put tile in and it'll drain off that way, so that way any water does seep in down there by the base, it drains out and away. I'm gonna have my boy do this because I ain't doing all the shoveling, but get in there, kind of level that off. I might have to put some sand in there, I'm not quite sure. But get something in there, put plastic down, maybe a little bit of gravel too. And I'll already have the blocks in there, so they will be stationary. Then I'll have to make a little pad, put my water heater on in there, fill all this in with dirt and clay. After that gets all done, and then they're gonna I'll call them and have them come set the house on there, and I will have to get a porch built on that. It'll come out to somewhere about right here, and we're gonna have the walk-off side here. We're gonna have a railing on there. It'll be a deck going out that side with stairs going down over there, because we're gonna have a second door, just safety reasons, in case, you know, we'd have a fire or something on this end. We are gonna have a wood stove, so in case fire happened to this end, we were in the bedroom, we can get out that door. And she was thinking we'll have a deck wrap around and come this way. I said no, if there's a fire down here, we're not coming past the fire to get out. We're gonna stairs down, gone. So did think about that. It's coming together slowly. Did have a couple 2 funerals in one. A couple that died in a house fire. They did a joint funeral together, so that was earlier today. It was a very, very nice funeral. So I was at it, travel time and everything most of the day. So I'm just happy with how things are coming along. And I got the wood right there. That's gonna be my sill plate. I got anchors at the store, or at my store, that I gotta drill and anchor the wood into the cement there. So when they set the tiny house on there, the wood on the house is not actually sitting on the concrete. It will rust out, or not rust out, it'll rot out, because concrete does contact moisture and stuff. So yeah, we want that wood to stay as good as long as possible. And at the sill, because that's treated wood there, and if it ever goes bad, we'll just be able to jack the house up, replace that wood, set the house back down on it. So, but the house will also be able to just take it and go with it if we ever choose to do that. So, because technically it is movable, it's going to be on runners, so it's going to be basically a big she shed on runners. So don't forget to like, share our videos, and hey, follow us. And we thank you for watching Iowa Tiny House Adventures. See you on the next video.